Real estate has increasingly become a pivotal sector in driving the economic growth of nations across the globe. For investors, it presents an unparalleled opportunity to build long-term wealth while establishing a reputable brand. For agents, it offers a dynamic career path far removed from mundane office jobs. The Ethiopian real estate market in 2025 stands as a promising arena for anyone with the ambition and strategy to make a mark. The market is thriving, and positioning oneself in this competitive landscape requires insight, determination, and a data-driven approach. This guide is tailored for individuals and firms keen on exploring the potential of Ethiopia's burgeoning real estate market, particularly in its major cities like Addis Ababa, Dirdawa, Mekelle, and Bahir Dar. Whether you are a seasoned investor, a budding entrepreneur, or a company looking to diversify, Ethiopia offers vast opportunities. Ethiopia's real estate market reflects the broader economic transformation sweeping the nation. Historically marked by internal challenges, the country is undergoing a resurgence driven by political stability and infrastructure development. These changes have attracted foreign and local investors eager to capitalize on Ethiopia's untapped potential. Cities like Addis Ababa are experiencing rapid urbanization, fueled by a growing population and increasing demand for housing, both residential and commercial. This demand creates immense opportunities for property appreciation, rental income, and portfolio diversification. The Ethiopian government's focus on improving infrastructure, roads, railways, airports, and utilities has further enhanced the attractiveness of the real estate sector. Prominent international developers like Rockstone Real Estate from Germany, Metropolitan Real Estate from the USA, Tsehe Real Estate from China, and Eagle Hills from Dubai have made significant investments, contributing to Ethiopia's transformation into a real estate hub. These developers are catering to a wide spectrum of housing needs, from affordable units to luxury apartments, signaling the sector's versatility. Real estate encompasses various business models, each with unique challenges and opportunities. Here are the primary types of real estate ventures thriving in Ethiopia. Real estate agency agents facilitate property transactions, earning commissions. This path requires market knowledge, strong interpersonal skills, and licensing. Real estate development developers acquire land, construct buildings, and manage properties. Examples include prominent local firms like Noah Real Estate and Ayat Real Estate. Real estate flipping. Investors buy undervalued properties, renovate them, and sell them for profit. This model requires a keen eye for potential and quick decision-making. Real estate wholesaling. Wholesalers secure contracts for undervalued properties and sell them to investors, profiting from the price difference. This model has low entry barriers. Buy and hold strategy. Investors purchase properties to generate rental income and benefit from long-term appreciation. Launching a successful real estate business in Ethiopia requires careful planning, market knowledge, and compliance with legal frameworks. Below are 6 essential steps to get started. First, conduct market research and identify a niche. Understanding the market dynamics is crucial. Assess factors like population growth, urbanization trends, and infrastructure development in specific regions. Identify whether you want to focus on residential, commercial, or mixed-use properties. Additionally, choose a niche, luxury housing properties priced from 20 million to 100 million ETB, typically located in prime areas like Old Airport and CMC. Mid-range housing properties priced between 10 million and 20 million ETB, found in neighborhoods like Bole and Kazanchis. Affordable housing. Properties priced between 4 million and 10 million ETB, located on the outskirts of cities. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan and secure financing. A solid business plan outlines your goals, target audience, investment strategies, and risk management measures. Financing options include commercial banks, microfinance institutions, development banks, equity investments and partnerships. For foreign investors, the minimum capital requirement is $200,000 for an independent venture or $150,000 for joint ventures with local partners. Ensure legal compliance by navigating Ethiopia's legal landscape. Steps include registering with the Ethiopian Investment Agency, EIA, or local authorities, selecting a business structure like an LLC or corporation, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, familiarizing yourself with land ownership laws, lease agreements, and tax obligations, including corporate income tax, property tax, and capital gains tax. Build a strong brand and online presence. In 2025, a robust online presence is indispensable. Start by creating an SEO-optimized website featuring property listings and analytics tools, leveraging platforms like Zillow and local real estate directories, running targeted PPC campaigns and maintaining active social media accounts, utilizing CRM systems to track and manage client interactions. Once your business is operational, focus on property acquisition and client management. Key considerations include evaluating properties based on location, quality, and market demand, building a network of professionals such as architects, engineers, and legal advisors, establishing a follow-up system to nurture leads and close deals efficiently. To scale your business, expand, network, and make a lasting impact. Forge partnerships with industry stakeholders and government officials. Attend industry events like the ET Real Estate and Home Expo to connect with potential clients and collaborators. Additionally, focus on addressing Ethiopia's housing challenges by offering affordable and sustainable solutions. Real estate in Ethiopia offers significant profitability due to factors like urbanization, population growth, and economic expansion. Diversifying your portfolio across residential, commercial, and industrial properties can mitigate risks and maximize returns. While challenges such as infrastructure deficiencies exist, the government's commitment to development ensures long-term growth potential. Ethiopia's real estate market is a fertile ground for ambitious entrepreneurs and investors. With careful planning, adherence to legal frameworks, and a commitment to addressing local housing needs, you can establish a thriving business in this dynamic market. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By seizing opportunities and staying adaptable, you can leave a lasting impact on Ethiopia's real estate landscape.